Tanish Kishore, good evening everyone. Say listen. Everyone, the pattern questions, what is going to come for examination, please kindly listen very carefully. We have to do that pattern questions fast. Okay. So we will be talking about that pattern questions first and how to handle those pattern questions. That also we are going to understand. Are you all ready, please? So first we are going to see some of the most important questions. See, write all the unit vectors in xy plane. What and all are the unit vectors in xy plane will be there. That question is asked from you. Write all the vectors, unit vectors in xy plane. Good evening, beta. Everybody, please listen. Some of the important questions I'm just discussing with all of you. Write all the unit vectors in xy plane. Like this one question is there. I'm just explaining you which and all pattern questions are important for you. Okay? Unit vectors in xy plane. Anybody, please answer. Kishore, start doing it. I have given one set questions for all of you. In that set questions, which and all questions are important that we are going to discuss. So please kindly start doing it. Join the session as fast as possible and start answering. What and all are the unit vectors in xy plane? Please kindly start answering the questions. All the unit vectors in xy plane. Only xy plane. Write all the unit vectors in xy plane. Xy plane. That question only the standard unit vectors. What and all are the unit vectors in xy plane? For x-axis, we know that I component will be there. For y-axis, we know that j component will be there. Okay. So unit vectors along xy plane will be what? I component and j component. So a vector will be usually represented like this. So please kindly understand this. If anybody will be writing a unit vector in this format, a vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. So here xy plane means x and y axis will be taking. Then magnitude of this will come, so it will become root under x square plus y square. Understood now? So unit vector along xy plane along with magnitude, it will become what? Unit vector along xy plane. One will be x by root under x square plus y square. One will be y by root under x square plus y square. So unit vector part, magnitude wise, we are going to write like this. So now I'm quickly going because more examples are there and more much important sections we have to study. Write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle of 30 degrees in the positive direction of x-axis. Please kindly solve this type of questions. Until and unless you are not solving these pattern questions, means it will not be good. So please kindly start solving. Come on, try this question. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go for it. Second example I have given you. Can you start solving the question fast and give me answer? Beta here degree given is 30 degree. So please kindly solve based on that. Unit vector. Write down a unit vector in xy plane. Like this morning we had discussion about it, about unit vector and all. So today just we are going to do, because sharply I am going to go with other sections. So I need to solve these type questions, unit vector related questions. Please kindly go for it. Quickly say the answer. Kishore, you are there. Tanish, you are there. Where is the answers? If you people are there, means answer is there. See, write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. Come on, go for it, please. Everyone start answering the question. Where this question is coming is how you people are going to solve the questions. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Try this question, Vijay. Only xy plane asked now. So when xy plane will be asked, that time what we are going to do? Unit vector in xy plane with 30 degree means one simple short formula we can write. Please kindly note down the formula. These are some questions we must do it before examinations. We must not leave these type of questions. So this will be unit vector written a bit. So unit vector in terms of trigonometry because angle is given here. So we will write a shortcut formula for xy plane when it will be given. It will become cos theta I cap and sin theta j cap. Cos theta I cap and sin theta j cap. Now, beta theta angle subtended between them is 30 degree. Everybody must watch these important questions, please, because we don't know with which sections they will ask the question. So here it will become sin 30 degree. So here it will become sin cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2i, and directly we can write sin 30 degree is 1 by root 2j. That's it. This is the answer. So you need to just understand along the positive direction of x-axis. Only xy plane they have given now. Understood? Positive direction of x-axis means here is the answer. When positive directions of x-axis they will be asking means here is the answer. Some of the important selective questions one last time I am discussing with all of you. This is first part. I am not going to go with these questions. The questions which are not so tough, that questions I am not going to go. Is an show that the points this 2i and this are isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means quickly I am going towards it. But isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal means it will become isosceles triangle. That you can prove it. Okay, show that the points. This is point. This is point. This is not vector. So you have to find position of it. Okay. So after that you need to solve some of the questions directly. I am touching and going. Write the unit vector parallel to this. In the morning also I have discussed. Now also I am discussing what is the actual meaning of it. Find a unit vector parallel to this vector. So you need to find a unit vector. Last time again I am telling you how you are going to proceed with these type of questions. Find a unit vector parallel to this vector. So one vector is given. Let us consider that A vector is equal to I cap plus root 3j is there. Okay. Now you have to find a unit vector which is parallel to this. So here, if any vector there is B vector, its unit vector you are there are wanting from this vector. So you know that this vector is parallel to B vector. A vector is parallel to B vector. That means its unit vector will be literally equal to the unit vector because unit vectors are direction specific. Remember this one very carefully. So what unit vector this will get? So this unit vector will be I cap plus root 3j cap by root under 1 plus root 3 whole square. So it will become I cap plus root 3j cap. But and here it will become root under 4. So I cap plus root 3j cap by 2. So this will become the unit vector. Please kindly remember this section. Don't leave this type of questions. Understood? So the unit vector which will be parallel. So this will be equal to this vector. Understood? Kishore, Tanish, Madesh, everybody please join the positive vector of a point this respectively. C divides the line segment joining AB in the ratio 3:1. Find the value of lambda and mu. This is a typical type of questions and I want all of you to please keep a hand in this type of questions. Try these questions out please. Try these questions one time. They're telling that the position vector of a point A, B and C are lambda I plus 3j. These are the position vector. C divides the line segment joining A and B in the ratio this. Find lambda and mu. Everybody please solve these questions. I'm seriously tired of the students of this batch. Neither they're showing interest. They're thinking 8 days are there. So 3 days before they will study. Madheshwar, are you online? Tomorrow is calculus day, beta. Tomorrow is calculus day. I'm going to teach Nani's calculus tomorrow. So please finish vectors today. Okay, see, some of the important questions like this will be coming. This is again, the questions are already came in board exam. Nothing you have to do. In this question, C divides the line segment joining AB in the ratio 3 is to 1. So AC, BC will be there. Find the value of lambda and mu. Direct questions like this will be coming in examinations, means you must be knowing how to handle this type of questions. So here external division, internal division part questions are there. Please kindly try this question one time and say me what is the value of lambda and mu. Kishore, are you there in the group? Are you listening what I am telling you? Who and all are present? Online who and all are present? Kishore is there. Okay. Next who is there? Those people who are present understand. Jayashri is there. Please understand why I have given this question. This question is damn important, so only I have given you this question. This question already came in examination. Again, it is going to hit. Yes, Kirti is there. Kirti, this question is damn important, beta. Please, one time do it. My voice is not audible. Hmm? Is my voice audible now? Is my voice audible now? Okay, now voice is audible. Check. Yeah, it is audible now. Volume is low. Check once, please. Because the chances of asking these type of questions are there. What you are asking from me, please kindly ask clearly. What is the percentage of these questions and all? What you are saying, just remember one thing. The questions will be coming, same pattern questions will be coming. Okay. Now, okay, now? Yes. So, like these questions, we are going to do some of the questions. Find the value of x, y, z so that the vector this are equal. So definitely these are easy questions. See, internal section formula, external section formula. I'm just telling you, I'm just reminding you one by one how you are going to approach to this part. So here, when two vectors are equal, their x component, y component will be equal. So that time we are going to solve like that. X component will be equal to x part, y will be equal to y, and z will become equal to z. So like that questions we will be solved. Find the magnitude of the factor. So magnitude means you just have to find magnitude part. And for magnitude, any vector formula, directly I am going through some specific questions. So like magnitude of this one will become root under 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 6 square. So this will become the magnitude part. Okay. And you can solve like this. Shall we go for the next question? So like this we will see the set. Find the distance between the point this and this using vector method. So whenever somebody will be saying you using vector method, first you have to convert this as vector. So when you are converting this as vector, this will become a vector will be exactly equal to 2i plus 3j plus k, and b vector is equal to minus I plus 2j minus 3k. And now you just have to find the distance between these two vectors. So this will be component as x1, y1 and z1, and this one will become x2, y2 and z2. But vector method, when they will be asking you, then what you have to do? So this part we need to check. Okay. I hope all the students started joining. Anna, what is the size of that stone sankam that person is asking? For that only I call you. हेलो अन्ना, अन्ना मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास हूँ, मैं अभी उनको मैसेज कर दिया है साइज के लिए। हाँ, okay, beta. So two vectors will be there. If somebody will be asking you the distance means directly x2 minus x1. So after finding this, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, both under part will come. So after converting it into vector x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, we will do like that and we will find that's it. I'm going towards some basic specific questions. If one more question is coming, means you will be able to solve. Now look at A minus 2B. Magnitude means what? First you do the application A minus 2B. Many questions are there. We are only going to understand first what and all you have to do. See beta, A minus 2B means A vector minus 2B vector. Just I am explaining this how you have to deal with this. A vector is coming as 3I minus 2j plus k, and then minus 2, it will come 2I minus 4j minus 3k. This part is coming and then magnitude. So first you have to resolve it. After resolving, like it will become 3I minus 2j plus k minus 4I plus 8j and then plus 6k. And after that, I part, it will become minus I plus 6j and plus 7k. 1 plus 36 plus 49. So like this you have to solve. So now I hope you people have understood how to solve these two questions little fast. I am going ABC have position vector. This show that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Position given. Yes, Kishore, absolutely correct, beta. This is what I am expecting from all of you. Immediately you respond because vectors, how much questions possible now we can do. Vector score should be in our hand because vectors once one important information to be given to all of you. Vector is covering 14 to 15 marks in board examination. 14 to 15 crisp marks are there in board examination, but you should be doing it. 3D part is seriously going to give you 5 to 6 marks. Remaining is 2D. So if little bit you are having brain, you will use brain for 2D. 100% you will be getting full score. So please kindly understand, vector section is solid. It will give you 14 to 15 marks. Understood? So please listen me. This is position vector they are asking with us. So this part will become OA. I'm just going closing this section. All important questions like this will become OA, this will become OB, and this will become OC. You only have to find AB, BC, AC, and if two sides magnitude is equal, that means it is an isosceles triangle. Ma'am, fixed question solved, ma'am, means I didn't understood better. Can you say it clearly? You are going for that means it is very going to be trouble you, Kirti. Remember this section. Show that the point is these are the position vector. I am giving you some short description part. Right angle triangle finding is you can find. This here nothing is working. Write down this in one page. If you are taking some important question and solving, and another life science questions will come means 100% you will come in trouble. 15 pattern questions are there. That 15 pattern question you must do and go. Okay. So now look at A, B, C is represented to adjacent sides of parallelogram. Find a vector parallel to the diagonal of the parallelogram. Please kindly do this. See, A vector and B vector represents the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Find the unit vector parallel to the diagonal of the parallelogram. Today online, today in triple Kundram, I have solved this question. So if you are finding, then this, and this, if you will be writing like this, means if you will follow like this technique means, if this is A vector, this one will become A vector. This is B vector, this one will become B vector. You take one diagonal, okay? If this diagonal whatever value will come because this will be addition of these two vectors. Okay, so this another vector that is parallel, so its unit vector, if this is the unit vector and this vector, so here n cap is equal to b cap. Those people who attended my class in Triple Kundram, you know that. And please remember one thing, Don't take any hurry burry unwanted decisions. I'm requesting you people. Paper is moderately tough already. It is announced before examination. It is not going to be easy. It is going to be damn lengthy. You will definitely sweat before finishing the paper. That is written means written. Got it? So these many years we are handling maths examination. So you be very much clear, like कि, okay, I have to get most important questions. Hi Sakshi, most important questions, and then we will be dealing the questions like this. If you will do means 100% your logic will fail there. This year unexpected question paper is coming from math side. Remember this words, please. So like this type questions, if you are thinking like this means the only important questions we will do, then it is not going to work. These are some of the questions. Show that the point this are the vectors of a right angle triangle. This is easy NCRT questions. Okay, I'm just explaining you. Hi Divya, I'm just explaining you. These questions are not that much, but these questions one time we must know. Strategy we will know. Solving we will do there. Okay. So if the position vector of the midpoint of this joining is, so position vector they are asking, position vector of the midpoint of the vector joining the point this and this. So position vector of midpoint is C and D. Can you ask it clearly, please? So these points are very important. Right angle triangle. See, look here. There are two questions are there. I'm explaining that two questions. They are NCRT questions. Please kindly listen to me. These two questions one time we will discuss, and we will go to another set. We have lots and lots of sets. We are going to do that today. So because of lack of time, only important question for your examination I am highlighting one time. Okay. So like question number 14 and question like number 15. Find the value of x for which this is a unit vector. Like these questions are going to hit, it is NCRT question. So they will not take 1 second also to give analysis. It is continuity and differentiability. Yes, I'm going to do that. Today is vector day. So we are doing vectors. Okay. So find the position vector of midpoint of vector joining these points. So please, these two questions must do and go in examination. Please, children, those who are present in online, listen to me very carefully. If these two questions are coming and you are coming empty handed, you people will be responsible. So please kindly listen me carefully and do these questions. Important question I am giving here. You need to listen me. So if the position, find the position vector of the midpoint of vector. So what is the 2 point? One point is P. P point is given as 2, 3, 4. Another point is Q. Q point is given as 4, 1, minus 2. What is the midpoint formula? 2 plus 4 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay. And then 3 plus 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 minus 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what is the position vector of this? So position vector of this point will be OP or OQ or OR, whatever. So OR vector will be equal to 3I plus 2J plus IK plus k. This will become the position vector. Directly we can drop this and say the answer. Now here, find the value of x for which this is a unit vector. Whenever you will be finding a unit vector, the magnitude of unit vector will become 1. Okay, the magnitude of this is a unit vector means this will multiply with x, the magnitude of unit vector will become 1. Carefully design this question and solve the answer. Absolutely Kishore, only one person is there who is damn short doing work. 1 by 3 to the power, so root under 1 by 3. Okay, fine, super. Because it is a position now, so each equivalent direction unit vector is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So 100% it will be coming as 1 by root 3. Okay, super. Good. So we are going to finish this set. Find the unit vector of the direction. So this type questions you people will be able to handle. Now I am going to whatever important question from set 1 was there. I did that. Now I'm going to go to another set because whatever set questions are there, we are going to discuss it short. That questions, please kindly check. all the formulas. It is there. From this only one specific questions we are going to do. Which questions I am telling you, that take questions don't leave. That take questions please kindly do with me, and then we will be going for the next section. So which questions I am telling you, Sakshu's brother, please kindly leave Sakshu. Otherwise Himanshu will punch you. So please kindly do your work. Let her do her work. Okay. Are you all ready? Kishore, I'm going to point out only important questions. This type question I already told in morning. This question came in board exam. Can you check the question which is of 2 mark? They're converting it into MCQ also. So you need to be very cleverly solve the question. Find a unit vector along the vector 4i minus 3k is. So definitely you have to find a unit vector. So unit vector of this you have to find. Then this part will be written as it is, and then only one thing you have to do, you have to find the magnitude of it. Okay, so when you are finding magnitude of this vector, what it will become, the magnitude of this part will become root under 16 plus 9, understood? So it will become root under 25, it will become 5, so it will become 1 by 5 4i minus 3k, that's it. So directly we can say B will become the answer. For MCQs, we can option B. Absolutely correct, Divya, because we need to solve some of the important questions. I have given that questions. Now please kindly, NCERT example question, this time is very important for you people. Please kindly go for this question, beta. NCERT example, this question answers, everybody please try to find. Go for this question, please. Case study we are going to jump in and do. Please start solving this question. Question number 5, everyone. Magnitude of a vector is 3. Done. Listen carefully. Magnitude of a vector is 3. And k value lies between -1 to 2, including -1 and 2. Okay? Then magnitude of k into a vector lies in the interval. Very important question. Please kindly only write answer. What will be the correct answer? So here when you will be handling this situation, see from where to where, because k lies between -1. Magnitude means it will not be negative. Okay. So Shri Devi, can you tell me the name of the person? Yes, beta, first answer what you decided was absolutely correct. Fifth one, after that you changed, na, that was not good. Now please check this one out. Just listen carefully. Huh? So when you are writing modulus magnitude of a vector is coming as 3. Now k value is coming between -1 to 2. Maximum how much we can take. Magnitude is a positive part. Magnitude will never give you negative. Okay. So whatever negative number magnitude of a constant minus also if it is inside means it will become positive. So maximum, the limit of k, here k is the deciding factor. So k value lies between -1, 0, 1 and 2. So if I am taking k negative also, I am putting inside, so it will become positive. So definitely it will give all positive range. The maximum value is 2 3s are 6 and their minimum value will become 0. So answer is A, and that is very good. Well done both of you. First you have given the correct answer. So please, yes, Kirti, absolutely correct, beta. Don't change your mind. First it was absolutely correct, beta. First one, it was absolutely correct. Don't change your mind. Now look here, this question now, most important question only I am going to hit. This question again and again I am telling you. Today morning we have done this question. You remember this part question that ABCD is a parallelogram. I told you the logics of solving this question. Again and again I am telling you. Again and again I am telling you, like this question is there in your question paper. So just remember our work and just do that work. Now one question is there. Represented the two sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle, the length of median through A. This question is needed. Length of median, NCERT exemplar. This year NCERT exemplar killed grade 10 examination. There was ruling. NCERT exemplar was ruling this year, and this year for you also NCERT exemplar is important. Please kindly solve this question. Don't leave this part. Kitty, try this question, but don't leave this question. Two vectors represented the two sides AB and AC respectively of a triangle. The length of the median through A. It's a very clear-cut question. One formula is there. That formula I'm giving you. This median related questions are very hot favorite questions. For this sessions, all tough questions you can expect. So here, very simple part I'm telling you. You apply this method and you will be able to do. This is A, B, C. Let us consider AM as the median. So when you will be taking AM as the median, then AM will be equal to AB vector plus AC vector divided by 2. That's it. Do it. Straightforward, we can do it. Direct method I have given you. Direct method apply and solve the question. Directly you approach to the question and solve it. This is the most easiest way. So what we are going to do? I is 3. So here it will become 3I. Now j minus j plus j will get cancelled. 4 plus 1 plus 5k divided by 2. That's it. This is the answer only. This is the answer, and for 1 mark now you have to find the magnitude of it. So once you are going for the magnitude, means 3 3s are 9 plus 5 5s are 25, and this two part will become 4 root under. So it is 9 plus 5. How much it is coming? 34. Root under 34 divided by 2. Your answer is A. That's it. Root under 34 by 4 will come. Root under 34 by 4. Magnitude they have asked na beta. 13th one. Check appropriately. So here root under 34 by 2. Like this type, small, little mistakes are going to be very dangerous in board paper. So you need to be very careful when you are solving such questions. See, this one question is there. Again, I want you to be very acquainted with this type questions. These two questions, question number 25 and 26. Please solve this question because this is based on A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Do this question one time. Don't leave these questions, please. Okay, Kishore is telling option is A. What about others? Only one person gave the answer. Question number 25 answer, only one person. I feel like only one person is going to write board exam. Rest other people are not going to write board exam. For them, board exam is already over. It's a clear-cut question. Go for it. One shortcut technique I taught you. Oh, that is for previous question. Okay. This question you try. See, this is the mass mocha question. Question number 26 is a very mocha question. First question number 26 I am solving because if this question number 26 coming in examination means you are king, because this is the most easiest question, and this question will be solved in no time. But look here, see, two vectors are there and they unit vector. Create in your sense how I am solving this question. Please kindly don't leave these type of questions. See here, please understand this part. This is and this is a two unit vector, and they are inclined to x-axis at an angle of 30 degree and 120 degree. Just now I explained you that when they will be inclined to x-axis, that means we will be exactly getting I and j unit vector. Only I and j part we are taking. Okay. Now look here. I'm not giving you conclusion. I'm solving these questions. Okay. So now first one is when I wrote that time itself I told you one time will become cos 30 degree I cap plus sine 30 degree j cap. This is one part will come cos 30 is root 3 by 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 j cap will come. Okay. Now b vector when you will be finding it, then it will become 120 degree. So it will become cos 120 degree I cap plus sine 120 degree j cap. So 120 means 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 means will become how much? 180 minus 60. So when you are going 180, I am solving 26 one first beta. So 180 minus 60 will become how much? Everybody please think. 180 minus 60 will become how much? It is cos 60 coming, but minus cos 60. Minus cos 60 means minus 1 by 2i plus here sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2j. Now they are telling that a plus b. So first to add this one and this one. So it will become root 3 minus 1i. It will become root 3 minus 1 I cap divided by 2 plus 1 plus root 3 j cap divided by 2. This is about a cap plus b cap. This is coming. Okay. Now they are telling modulus of it. Modulus means you have to find root under 3 by 2 1 square plus root 3 plus 1. This whole square will come root under. That's it. Over. When you will be solving, you will be getting the answer. So 3 plus 1, what it will become? Down it will become 4. It will become 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. So this will get cancelled. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 4 will become 8. 8 by 4 root under. Cancel root under 2. Is root under 2 here? B is your answer. This like you have to solve. This like you have to solve. Now this is answer. Option number B is going to be the correct answer here. Please kindly go for the first 25th question. Now we are going to solve question number 25th. Everyone try question number 25th, please. Can I solve this question? Now look here, I need a space to solve this question. This is not an easy question. This question will definitely be taking time. Anyone who knows how to solve this question? Wait, like this question means you must be knowing how to attend the question. And I need some space to solve the question. So first I am explaining this part, what and all you have to do. See, look here, what and all given to you. A, this are perpendicular to this part and this part. Means their dot product will become equal to 0. This is the most important section. Their dot product will be A dot B vector plus C vector will become equal to 0. B dot C vector plus A vector will become equal to 0. C dot A vector plus B vector will become equal to 0. Like that you have to solve. So first, this case you have to attend like this. After that they have given magnitude of A vector plus B vector is equal to 6. Magnitude of B vector plus C vector is equal to that values they have given. We have to follow that values. Okay. So now look at. I need to take this question in mobile and then solve. First part, what is given to you? They have already informed you that A vector magnitude B vector is perpendicular to B vector dot C vector. Then B vector is perpendicular to C vector plus A vector and C vector is perpendicular to A vector plus B vector. This part is given to you and they have given this part equal to 6 and then B vector plus C vector is equal to 8 and this is equal to 10. Now they wanted us to know this part. This was the question. So first what we will do, dot product of that part will become 0. If for first case it will become A vector dot B plus C will become equal to 0. That means A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector is equal to 0. Similarly, this part will come B dot C vector, B vector dot C vector plus B vector dot A vector will become equal to 0. For this, C vector dot A vector plus C vector dot B vector will become equal to 0. If we will add all this three, what we are going to get? We will be getting A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector is equal to 0. This is what final conclusion we have got. Okay. Now magnitude part directly they have given. So that means what beta? When we will be getting A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to what we can write? This magnitude whole square, this magnitude whole square plus this magnitude whole square plus 2 times of AB plus BC plus AC. Now this part already we have proved equal to 0. So that means final conclusion will come what? This square is equal to only existing section is this. Okay. Now here what they have given is A vector plus B vector. This section they have given it up. So we are going to use this directly. Now we can say because AB part will become equal to 0. So directly we can say this square we will do. Then here it will become 36. And this part will directly become this square plus this square. It is coming as 66. So similarly, B vector plus square will become 64 and then C vector plus this square will come as 100. Understood? So now all will become 2 times. This 3 we will add. This is coming 2 times of magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square equal to 200. So this 2 and this will get cancelled. It is coming as 100. So here directly we can say this section finally it is coming as magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector whole square is equal to 100. Take root on both sides, it will become 10. To take root on both sides, it will become 10. So like this question is coming means 100% some brain will be needed, and if you will not be applying your brain means it will get stuck in examination. I have sent you vectors. You have time, please kindly study that very thoroughly. Some of the typical questions from our set I have solved so that you people will not feel that pain. So this is one time how we are going to attend the questions. Still, some questions are there. This like degree questions also we have solved. Now this is CBSE 2023 question. Please kindly check unit vector. This makes equal but acute angles on the coordinate axis. The projection of a vector on this vector is. It's a very clear cut question. CBSE 2023 question. Can anybody answer this question, please? Can anybody answer this question, please? Try this question, beta. Plus minus 1 by root under 3 plus minus 1 by root under 3 plus minus 1 by root under 3. Can we do like this? And after that, they are telling the projection of a vector on the vector this. It's a clear-cut question. See, beta, please understand this part. This question is easy. This makes equal angle, acute angle. So whenever a vector is making acute angle, that means it's this vector will be magnitude wise this I cap plus this j cap plus this k cap. This will become, because it is making equal angle. Equal angle means it will become equal inclination part will be there now. So it will become 1, 1, 1. That part I have already, and along with b vector. So it is this vector. So a vector is making projection on this. So if any vector is making projection on b vector, a vector making projection on b vector, so it will become a vector dot b cap. Okay, so a vector dot b cap will come. So your a vector will directly get multiplied to b vector. Check this one out and solve it. I've just given a conclusion. Please kindly remember this. Equal inclination is there. So please be specific. Kishore, you are able to solve this question, or can I try? Okay, very good, Jayashree. This is what, see, you people have one problem. After 8 days, you are going to write exam, not even 8 days, 7 days. You should be ready to take risk. Now, if you will not take risk, means there you will take risk, means you will not come to know what is wrong and right. At least here you are writing wrong, means you will be able to know what to write there. I am very fed up with these people. I'm not going to say anything. Equal inclination, when any angle will be taking equal inclination, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, all three angles are coming equal. So that section is most important part. So here we know that a vector, projection of a vector, this will come. Kishore, at least solve and say answer. Jashri has given answer. So here what is b vector magnitude? This will come. So it will come 5, 7 and 9, 25 plus 49 and plus 1. So 9, 10, 15, 4, 2, 6, 1, 75. 75 is there, root under 75 will come and root under 3 will come. Okay, root under 75 and root under 3. Direct projection formula we are going to apply. So this will multiply with this part, this will multiply with this will multiply with this. After that, magnitude section we have to find. So what is the final overall answer will come? Jashri has given option B. At least others I am wishing you to take risk. Projection is given. I am solving it 5, 7 minus 1. Now look here, how you are going to solve. Here a vector will be 1 by this I plus 1 by root 3j plus 1 by root 3k. B vector is given as 7i plus 5j minus k. I think this was the question. So now here, projection of A on B vector. That is A vector dot B vector magnitude. That is A vector dot B vector by magnitude of B vector. Like this we can do. Dot product of these two, it will become 7 by root under 3 plus 5 by root under 3 minus 1 by root under 3. Denominator part, magnitude of this will become how much? Magnitude of the vector will become 49 plus 25 plus 1. So here it will become 7 by 11 by root under 3 into root under 75. Okay, so here it will become 11 by 75 is what? 75 factor if you will take it is a 65 to 50. So now it is 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. So what's 11 by 15 is the answer. Option is A. Kishore, very good. Both of you, at least you both have tried. This is what I am wishing. I should try now because, like this question coming in Buddhism, please understand this time paper is very rough. Again and again, I am telling 10th standard, I kept on telling them from our material 70% questions came. That time itself, they realized that what mistake they did. Now, they were kept on only reading some of the books, but they did not realize actually what is the level of danger coming for them. This year now, you focus in parts. Whatever CBSE sample paper they are releasing now, they are damn important for you because they are giving a roadmap. Okay, that roadmap you have to follow. CBSE is now strictly guiding themselves. The students they are guiding like "Okay, this is the roadmap. You walk in that. No need to do that much. You need to do what is needed. Okay. So now look at A vector, B vector, then the vector from the component of A vector along B vector. Same beta, that is projection they are asking. They are telling component of A vector along B vector means direct projection they are asking. Remember this. This is one short question I am telling you. Sign of angle, this question today morning 2 mark question we have solved. Same pattern question they are giving for, they are converting it into what you call it. They are converting it into MCQs. Here formula. CBS 24 question. I will not say anything. At least one time, this not take questions to solve. Just 1 year before you, they have solved this question. Please kindly go for it. Everyone try solving this question. A vector and B vector are two vectors. Their magnitude is given. A dot B is given. Angle between two vector minus B vector. Very specifically solve. 2A vector minus B vector is given. Anna, that sunk size, please kindly type and send. Stone sunk. What is the answer? At least tell, try. Angle they're very clear cut. They've given the question. 2024 means minus part is given means full area will be collapsed. People, quickly, everybody, I'm telling you, I'm warning you people. If directly you will go with solving few questions and go in board exam writing, definitely danger. This is very danger. This area, this here, this is danger. I'm explaining you 8 days they have given not for fun. 8 days they have given for a pure analysis of question paper. Very good, Kishore. Kishore is telling question number 31. Answer is C. No, that is a correct. That is not a correct answer. That is a wrong answer. Now please try again. Option B is also wrong. I will not interpret. B and C both are wrong answer. That is not good. That is not correct. Both are wrong. I give conclusive parts. Here, one thing I think you people missed. See, A and B are two vectors. Magnitude is given. Here, A, this section is there. Did you still analyze that section or not? I don't know. But here, 2A vector and minus B vector is there. Only two options are left here. This part and this part. At least in this also you can try, because B and C is not correct. Standard who will write today. Only one small thing here, everything is there, but everything is format. I don't know how you people are doing. So 2A vector dot, if I will write minus B vector, it will become what? Magnitude of 2A vector, and here magnitude of minus B vector into cos theta. Chalo. Like a student, I am doing it. I don't know anything. I'm an idiot. I only know formula. So based on that formula, I am doing. I don't know anything. So here 2 magnitude is coming. So 2, can I take it out in positive format? That magnitude of this will become 1, and B magnitude, it is coming as how much? It is coming as 2. So we don't know. We just cancel it, and then we are getting cos theta. Like an idiot, I am solving right now. Okay. So minus root 3 by 2 equal to cos theta. Hmm? Yes, 5 pi by 6. Minus is coming now. Then here I am going to take cos of minus theta. So minus cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. It should come 5 pi by 6. But answer is 5 by 6 they have given. After solving, I am also feeling same for you. Like minus part is there, this magnitude wise it will get cancelled. Answer should come 5 pi by 6 only. But this is CBSE 2024 question. So one time again analyze. One thing is missing here. Hmm. Between positive part will be coming between this. I am also thinking it should be coming 5 by basics. But in standard platform they have given answer as 5 by 6. One time I will check where this minus they are killing. As per minus should not be filled like that. 5 by basics only should be coming. Example question CBSE again 2024. This type question please kindly solve. Hmm. I'm not counting the number of students. They are all my coaching students, Peter. All the coaching students are there, na? There are nearly 35, 40 students are there, but all of them are sleeping. So I'm hats off, that's true only. Because they are very intelligent. I'm feeling like beating them. Option D. Okay. Question number 33, option is D. Try one more time. Wrong answer, beta. Check one more time. Then vector perpendicular to both this and this. Dot product. Go for it. Check that one. Mhm. That is not correct. Try once. Try once. The unit vector perpendicular to both this and this. Simple format question. Simple. Try. Understand. A unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Think nicely. What can be the unit vector which can be perpendicular to both the vectors? So if we are considering a unit vector A vector which is perpendicular to this, that means dot product of that will become 0. Another unit vector which is perpendicular, then dot product of this will become 0. Then you have to find the value of that vector. That's it. Yes, now you have reached to that. So question is correct now. I hope now it is correct only. Both of you. Now it is going to option B because unit vector once you will be taking that is perpendicular means this two will be on this two. Then it will only be becoming this. Okay. So this is the correct answer. I direct we can say. Okay, I'm keeping it till here. After that, we are going to go for case studies of vectors and 3D. Okay, I'll just explain. 8 o'clock, I'll try to join you people if you are interested. Then, otherwise, our materials are always with you. Just start solving. 3D, I'm trying to send some important questions. So, 3D basics, I'm going to teach in 9 o'clock time, and then we will solve. Okay, bye everyone.